All right, milk and cookies. Oh, sorry about that. You startled me there. Say, while you're up, how about I tell you a story? What kind of story, you ask? A tale of speed and power that left the earth shaking and exhaust fumes in the air. It all started one night at the local rock venue, where Matt had just finished a particularly terrible performance, loading up his even more terrible car.
Hey, you man Halpern?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your performance was kind of trash tonight, man. Kind of like your car.
Seriously? Wow, what a jerk. I guess he's right though. My car really does suck. I should probably lay off all those spicy Doritos too. Whew.
Hey, Matt. How's it going?
Who the hell are you?
I'm Josh from High Horse Performance. What seems to be the problem?
Well, my drums suck, my performance sucks, and my car really sucks.
Yeah, this car really does suck, but, you know, I think we could probably fix that.
Really?
Yeah, pull right up over here.
Over here?
Yeah.
So they wrenched and they tuned from morning to afternoon with a Metco 285 upper pulley, a Mishimoto thermostat, a UPR catch can and crankcase breather, and Diablosport dyno tuning. Matthew could not have been more excited. His piece of car was now a modded Jeep Trackhawk? Yeah, you know, Christmas miracle, that kind of stuff. So, anyways.
Well, here you go, dude. Told you we'd get you set up.
Wow, this is amazing. Thank you so much, HHP.
Then that same night at the local rock venue.
Hey, Matt Halpern again, right?
Yeah.
Sick performance tonight. Nice upgrade on the car, too.
You're damn right it is.
And it was a Christmas miracle indeed, one of raw horsepower, confidence, and speed.